Hello, in this video I will show you different features of this AI doctor that I have made in Google Sheets. So first of all, the feature that I want to show you is the checkup history. This is the most powerful feature that I think I have developed. Okay, so what it does it allows you to keep a record of your doctor checkups, okay, and record the prescriptions over here. So you can see that I have recorded the prescriptions of my all the family members based on the date, their problem, their diagnosis, who checked it, the name of the doctor in the hospital, and the list of medicines along with the doses. Now, this is not it. In fact, we experience that certain things suit us, certain medicines suit us, certain medicines do not suit us. So, I have also added a way for you to mention this in this column, which is called effect. In this, you can write whether this worked or not. If it didn't work, why? What was the problem with the prescription? For example, here you can see that for my son, this medicine didn't work when I put it in the nebulizer. Okay, so apart from this, when you talk to this AI doctor, it will keep a record of your diagnosis while it was talking to you. So it will have a memory. So for example, if I tell you today that my son Abdul Hadi was again having a cold flu, it will record it in the patient history tab. In the patient history tab, there are few columns that are static, which do not change. For example, date of birth, gender of the person, and any surgical history that the patient may have, stuff like this. And some marital, sociological descriptions that are recorded here. The rest, this a doctor, when it was talking to you, it will maintain it on the go. So for example, if I go to a chat here and select the patient, I just want to talk about my son, Abdul Hadi. And I say, I'm having a cold flu today. Okay, so when I said that, what it will do, a doctor will go to checkup history and search for any past experiences, my patient history, search for any past exposures, any allergies that may have been recorded, because this is checkup history and some data that you knew it from the beginning and didn't get, and do not have any checkup or prescriptions or diagnosis of that problem. So you can just write it here in the patient history. So that's the reason I have also recorded all the information in the patient history as well as in the checkup history. So it will go through all of these areas and give you an answer, which is, let's address your cold. So do you have any fever, body aches along with the cold systems? Cold symptoms. No. No fever. Nothing. Could you please, no, let's give it a straightforward answer and then we will try to see what happens. On the contrary, I would like to compare it with the regular chat GPT. Here, for example, if I write, I'm having a cold flu today, rather here I will tell that my 5 years old child is having a cold flu today. Okay, so what would it do? So it will give some hydration, make them rest, give them steam, some saline drops, paracetamol, everything, and make sure there's no fever in there. Okay, so this is what it has given, but let me check. Can I give him Ventolin in nebulizer? Okay, so it is giving me a generic response. Okay, and let's see what does this do, the AI doctor. yes, and wheezing sounds. So here it is saying that Ventolin can only be given when patient is experiencing wheezing sounds. Okay, so I'm deliberately directing AI doctor towards this response because Ventolin, my child doesn't positively react to Ventolin. My child gets worse when he's exposed to Ventolin syrup or Ventolin medicine. So let's see what it does. Hydration and brittle and carbex. And if I say, what about, can I give him Ventolin nebulizer? Let's see what it does. It, this AI doctor will never recommend me anything which doesn't suit my child, considering that I am updating this checkup history regularly whenever my son goes to the doctor. See, previous experiences show that it increased dryness and coughing. Instead, use normal saline in the nebulizer. So see, this is how it works. And once this is done, this A doctor will remember this. And if I start a new chat and it asks about it, and I change Hassan Malik, now AI doctor knows Hassan Malik is the father of Abdul Hadi. And if I say, when last Abdul Hadi had cold flu and wheezing sounds. By the way, should have been, when did last Abdul Hadi have cold flu? Don't mind the grammar. So see, it's saying, oh, give me the latest. So here you can see it's saying Abdul Hadi currently experiencing cold flu today, which is April 2025. There is no fever. How does it know? I started a new chat over here. How does it know? Because in the patient history, you can now see that Abdul Hadi's current state, experiencing cold flu, past history of similar symptoms, experiencing cold flu symptom, no body aches. So this is the analysis and the data stored for Abdul Hadi on the go. You can rewind the video and see that when we started the chat, there were no records here, but when we ended the chat, there are records. So this saves the information of your patient. So this is how it works. If you like the video, let me know. I can help you set this up for you as well. And I will also upload videos on how I really built the system and made it happen. I just use OpenAI APIs, and yet I faced some difficulties, and I would love to explain to you how I overcome those difficulties and build the system. Also, I'm also working on another system which is a character chat. You can chat with your friend on, and similarly, that character can memorize details about you, and it's a huge system in the sense that it has a huge benefit. It remembers little details about you in a very particular way. So let me know in the comments if you really like this video. Thank you so much for watching.